Good Wednesday morning, scrappers. It's gonna be a what it weighs, what it pays day. I got some rads in there, some more rads back in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. My cast aluminum, and now I'm getting extrude put in the car, and I still got some more. Some stuff I picked up yesterday. A little foggy. Oh, stuff I picked up yesterday. More extrude. And this is my toted extrude that I'm gonna try to get out. So it's gonna be what it weighs, what it pays, and take it to work with me and get it weighed up. And because I do work at a junkyard, so this is where I take all my stuff, is where I work, so I get a pretty good price on it. So anyway, I'll show you what I got for a pay in a way when I get done work today. Alright, YouTube, I'm back, and I got a what it weighs, what it pays. So here's what I did today. So extrude, I had 61 pounds, 60 cents per pound, so I got $36.60 for that. Cast, 46 pounds, 30 cents a pound for $13.80. I guess there was 2 pounds of old sheet mixed in there, so 40 cents a pound for old sheet, 80 cents. And AC rads, that's the copper aluminum rads. They were clean, so I had 39 pounds, and I got $1.40 a pound for $54.60 for a total of $105.80, and that's Canadian. So not bad payday. So hopefully I can get some more things together here soon. So sorry about the short video the other night. I did it and then I realized that it was dark out. So here's what I got for a pickup. Another little micro thing, a printer, keyboard, another little micro hub, unified security gateway, some more security cameras down in here, lots of wire, and then over here I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more flat screens, another hub, a laptop, some more hubs here, and 2 touch screens. So I'm hoping Saturday I'll do a marathon and I'll just start knocking this stuff out. Oh, the other thing I got is security system with cameras and just like a hub for the cameras. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get that knocked out. I still got some more rads here to clean, some aluminum ones and some copper aluminum. Some number 1 there. Got old sheet started here. I've been throwing a lot of motors and everything in here. And there's more motors there and over there. Stainless. I've been throwing some stuff in there. So yeah, just trying to, it's actually getting to the temperature where you can work out here. So anyway, there's my shred pile. But yeah, hopefully everybody's having a good evening. It's a Wednesday evening. Forgot what day it was. So yeah, I take everything to where I work. some of you know that I work at a local junkyard just 5 minutes away from my house, so I'm a lucky guy. So my yard's only 5 minutes away, so, and it's also where I work. So I work at a junkyard and I junk vehicles all day long, and when I get caught up on those, then I scrap for my employer as well. Take stuff apart, get copper and brass and stuff out. So I must really enjoy it because I do it at work, and then I come home and do the same thing. So I gotta get the boards cleaned out. Yeah, I got more of those battery backup units that I'll be doing. And then I've got 6 or 7 pails in there filled with stuff, and a barrel filled with things that have to go through, and lots more flat screen televisions over there. So yeah, hope everybody's having a good evening. Anyway, everybody keep safe, and get on YouTube and search out the scrappers online. I watch a lot of them, and I learned so much. So if you're looking to get into scrapping, then by all means subscribe, share, like my videos. I might not be the smartest or the sharpest knife in the drawer, but I try to get show you what I got, and I try to learn any new things that I've got. I try to learn efficient ways to take it apart. And so anyway, so yeah, everybody have a good evening, and we'll talk to you in the next one.